day. Literally just woken up. 6:30 AM in the camping barn. And it's the last day. Getting ready to rumble. Oh, right. Time for a quick coffee. Quick coffee before we go. I'll just go in here.
Last day.
Last day.
Not raining.
Not raining. Looks like quite a nice day. We've got about
Feels good.
7k walk now into Grosmont. Up that hill into Grosmont to get some breakfast. We're going up to this track. Then we go along through the woods, and then Grosmont is that way. Having to bundu bash. We're bundu bashing to avoid the massive bog down there. Try and keep our feet dry. So it's beating our way through the undergrowth. 7 AM. Nice way to wake up.
We're gonna need to get through to that.
Oh, shoot. I don't want to get wet feet. Right, maybe here. Bit of a big jump, done it? Right. Problem is, you've got longer legs.
Left foot on that. There, that's your last bit of firm.
Right, I'll just jump a few.
Quickly, and go.
Oh! Bollocks! Couldn't manage it, my little leg, couldn't manage it. Shit.
Jump.
Oh, crap. Oh, we're heading to that road. And the road basically takes us to, what's that place called? Something Bridge, Egmont Bridge. Right ahead of us it is the sea.
Definitely the sea.
That's definitely the sea, first glimpse of the sea. So is that the hill we've got to climb over to get to it?
Probably.
Probably.
That's the east coast.
And then what's that radar base over there called?
Oh, I don't know.
Do you remember? But what did
There's a listening base called Wainwright, but that is just an old RAF.
So that's
radar.
an old RAF radar where they first did radar?
Yeah,
Testing the radar. In which war?
World War II.
World War II. There you go. Absolute wealth of knowledge, this channel. Building we were talking about just to the left of that road sign is a big white block. We're more happy to see that after walking 13 days across England. Sore feet, but feeling good. Glad to have done it, glad to have made it. Right, onward to breakfast at Grosmont.
On this side, September the 5th, 1782, nothing happened.
Yeah, it's the kind of place I would happily come and spend a weekend. Amazing.
So we have...
I think we'll just go straight down to Egdon Bridge. Beautiful. Morning air. Lovely, there's a little churchy thing over there. I hope we go past that. So we're almost back on the coast to coast. We're in Delves. So we had to take a slight detour off the exact Wainwright line from the coast to coast because the bank house farm camping barns aren't on the actual route, so we took a little detour to go there, and now we're just heading back along the road back to the actual C2C Wainwright route. So, yeah, so it's a lovely morning and we're enjoying it. That is a woodpecker up in the tree.
I think there might be...
Let's live a little. Let's live on the edge, bit of excitement. Get ourselves over this little bridge. Oh, we didn't need to. What the hell, let's do it anyway, yay! Magnificent old buildings. It's Egton Bridge, well on the way to our breakfast, but it's beautiful. Beautiful hiking, even though it's on the road, which we don't like. We don't like walking on roads. However, oh, this is Egerton 1 mile. However, it's rather a peaceful little village, hamlet. Alders, pretty massive church for a small little village. Looks very nice. Train station. First gates. Nice. That's the old schoolhouse, circa 1685, rebuilt 1971. Tiny little place. Must have had about 3 students in their classes. Tiny. Massive hill. I realise we're heading to Egmont rather than. We're heading the wrong way basically. So we just hiked up a mile up this massive hill. Going the wrong way. We need to head back to the river, don't we? Otherwise it's a massive dog's leg.
Well, there's
Where's the map?
there's a path from school. We must have already got up most of this.
Yeah.
So there's this path that takes us down there.
So we were here at Egton Bridge and we're heading to Egton, and we should have been heading to Grosmont here.
So we've been past.
So we would have been halfway to bloody breakfast.
Fucking hell.
Shit.
I should have thought about that.
Didn't check, did we? Oh well, never mind. That's life. Schoolhouse Farm.
Schoolhouse Farm.
Alright, we're going along one of the old village roads. It's amazing that these used to be the thoroughfares between villages before the days of tarmac roads. Find a way through. Is that what's that there? Is that a gate? So we're just going through fields at the moment. Oh look, there's 2 deer. See those deer down there? Straight ahead. Deer, straight ahead. We've made it back to the trail. We've decided to call that our wildlife detour. 3 deer, barn owls, fluffy bunnies, sheepies, all kinds of interesting and wonderful bits of nature we've seen. Doing another 2 miles. Probably have done near 200 miles now with all these detours. We are so lucky in England, we still have all these public rights of way, footpaths, bridle paths, access to land that allow us to do this traverse of England. 190, 200 miles, all on public access. That's amazing. There's many countries I've lived where you just can't do that. It's all private, not allowed on it. So we should consider ourselves very grateful that we've got these routes, these ancient routes and paths that we can take. You want to take a swing? Want a little swing? Go on, have a swing. Go on, treat yourself.
No,
Spoil yourself, have a swing.
I don't want to swing.
Flowers out on the Ramazans.
Cross the bridge and then into town.
Cross the bridge into town. It is Grosmont. We are almost level crossing for the train. Little post office. So now we need to find somewhere we can get breakfast or food and a coffee. Let's have a look in here. Oh wow, look at this station. Finally breakfasting it. Sausage, egg, black coffee, bit of HB, £8.50. Happy days. What a morning, what a morning. An exciting morning we've had. We've had steam trains, breakfast in the station, and now a 15-mile hike to Robin Hood's Bay. Does life get any better, I ask you? Thoughts for the day?
I need a powered exoskeleton
Right.
to get me up hills.
Yeah, I know. You look like you've already got one, the way you're walking. Just walking backwards. You can see where we've come from, all the way over there. Long way. Sweet. This place is called Lucy's View. Lucy must have liked sitting here. And looking out there, I can see what she liked about it. Ah, beautiful. Right. Oh man! Right, up on here, take a 360 shot, get a good viewpoint. Yow. That is it. It's all over by the shouting. It is the White Rose of Yorkshire. What were the other roses?
Red Rose, Lancashire, I think.
When was the War of the Roses? Any information for the viewers?
16 something.
Okay, there you go. 3 3/4 miles, coast to coast footpath. Alright, we're going to Falling Foss. Fallen giants, the tumult of my heart is stilled within this sheltered spot, deep in the bosom of the woods, forgetting and forgot. Soon the bluebells will be out.
Yeah.
They will be around my neck of the woods in Dorset anyway. Very interesting up ahead. There is a hole carved in this huge stone. This place is pretty cool, 1790. Hermitage, I don't know if you'll be able to see in here. Very cool rock, all carved out by hand. You can see in here where it's been carved, all carved out. Out of one solid. If you look at that, all been carved out. Chip, chip, chip. Huge stone. Interesting place. Falling Foss waterfalls, and through the tree line we can make out a little tea shed, hopefully. So it's my round of teas if there's a tea shed. I think today's video is going to be quite a long one. A lot of interesting stuff around here. Wow. Have a look at Falling Foss. There she is in all her glory. Right, let's get some teas. Oh, bit of a queue. And if you grab a seat, I'll queue up if you want. Grab a seat. Okay. Yeah, I saw alcohol, but I decided not to tell you, just in case. Thank you. All right, lovely little place, Falling Foss Tea House. Just a couple of teas, $2.20. Well worth a visit and a stop. Should you be near here? We are taking the cinder track, which is the old train line, just down in Robin Hood's Bay, and I believe now we have 3 miles left out of the 190. Oh, it's actually near 200 now because we've taken a few detours. So almost there, almost there. Apparently Wainwright wouldn't have done this. What would Wainwright do? Apparently he didn't go down here, he went to the Cleveland Way. So it's going to add even more to our finishing leg.
I know.
Because
This is the
Wainwright,
cinder path.
I know.
Right?
I thought it was quicker.
That is the Cleveland Way.
Right, okay, it's another mile, so ETA's out. Let's go. Oh, I thought you were tired.
I am absolutely boobarred,
But
this is the route.
this is what Wainwright would have done.
It would. And I'm not with Wainwright on that, but I'm doing this on behalf of my brother.
Right.
He would be upset if we had not followed the route.
He could have just lied to him. He doesn't watch his videos anyway. No one watches his videos, so.
I'm going to watch them.
Oh, okay. There you go. You've got to sign up to YouTube then. Just around the headland, a few miles. Oh, feet are killing. Got shin splints on the right side, which is agony. But we're almost there, and that is the coast. Yeah.
No.
Are we there yet?
No.
And now?
Definitely a no.
Oh, it is just got a final little bit around there, and we have finished. We have done 200 miles, give or take. Oh, my legs hurt. Here's the other end of the cinder track that I was hoping to take. There would have been a straight flat line, but oh no, we had to go all the way around to keep true to Wainwright. Bloody hell. Alright, we are just heading down to get our feet washed in the sea. Oh. Are we ever going to walk up this hill? I do not know. Finally, this is
There we go.
Robin Hood's Bay. Well done, mate. So we've made it here, finally. Oh, just going to go down to the sea. Oh, if you like this, don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed us getting across the country, coast to coast, 200 miles, following Wainwright's original. Right. Oh. Didn't bring a pebble. I'm going to wash my boots. Yeah. 13 days. 13 days, yeah. It's quite a way. Thank you. Oh, another adventure done. Hey, doggy. 13 days.
I'm in for 7 days.
Can you do both at the same time?
I don't know. That's it. Is it already filming?
Yeah, cool.
Come on then. That's super cheesy. Never mind. Yeah, there we go. Well done, lads. There you go.
I'm just hobbling over to my hotel. I've literally just come from Robin Hood's Bay. And I'm going to find my hotel, which is up there. Once I get in there, I am going to review all the kit that I got in my bag, and then see, show you what I took, show you what I think of it, and then see what I'm going to take next time. So if you like that, thanks for watching this, and if you like that, then you might like this next video. Okay, see you next time.